Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today's talk is about how to use Tableau layout containers to design small multiples. In Andy Kriebel's first viz of the year 2019 for Makeover Monday, he used small multiples layout to design for this NHL attendance viz for the last 18 seasons. It is a very impressive design, very nicely conceived, but he complained on his Twitter that please follow his Twitter. Andy Kriebel, you can certainly find it on Twitter. He complained that there are too many containers to handle. Yes, in his design he used 40 containers. If you ever used containers, you know how awful it could be the experience to align those charts, those containers, and to fine tune the size. It's very tedious and time consuming. Today, I'm going to pose a different way to design the same chart, the same viz. Yes, in the following, I'm going to show how to do it. First, we see that for each team, we have 3 charts, basically 3 worksheets, and it shows the attendance of this season versus last season, average attendance of this season versus last season, and the trend of attendance in the last 18 seasons. So for every team, we have 3 charts, and this is a lot of charts and a lot of containers as well. So here's the design. I recreated Andy's chart, and what I did, there's a few points I would like to emphasize. First is that instead of design one chart for one team, I actually design one chart for 4 teams at a time. Voila! This is a single chart, single worksheet, but for 4 teams. So this is the standard view. For the containers, I will take advantage of the auto resize functionality of the containers. So I will set it to be all the sheets. I will set it to be entire view. So for this, again, this is also for 4 teams at a time. So we don't see the header here, but it's there. Voila! For every 4 teams, I will have 3 independent chart worksheet for every 4 teams. And we have 31 teams in total. So basically, even for the last 3 teams, I have 3 worksheets for them. So in total, we have 24 charts, 24 worksheets. And my idea here is to set them of the same size, same height, same width. So this will simplify our design. So let me do it from the beginning, from a blank dashboard. So first, I will set the size to be customer size, be 26, a little bit larger than necessary because we need to put the header and the footer. But here I will only design the main part, that is the small multiples. For each small multiple, well, first we're going to use a floating vertical container. We will set it to be 2400. So for the 24 chart, so each one will be 100 of height. Here will be 1000 for the width, and we will put the 0 and 1. In this way, from 1 to 2400, each chart will have exactly the height of 100. Where are those charts? It's already there. I designed them separately. It's already there. Let's unhide all the sheets. Wait a little bit. Voila, they are here. So I enumerated them, numbered them from 2 to 9. Okay, that's for 8 different groups of 4 teams. So the next job is to drag them into tiled version. So this one is an entire view. So it occupies the entire container. And we drag the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Wait a sec. We want to make them distribute evenly and vertically. Let's continue. Let's continue. Number 5 is here. Actually, 6. I have 9 to go. It's a little bit slippery. Can be slippery sometimes. Voila. We just add 24 charts into the single container, and we have to do some manual work to hide all these titles. Unfortunately, there isn't a very easy way to do them, but yes, we can do that. It's about the same. Is hide the titles. Unfortunately, there's no way to batch process it. Hide title. So even individually, I already hid all the titles, but when we drag them into the dashboard, it will reappear. Voila! Basically, here are all the small multiples. There are 31 teams. Here, the Winnipeg, I put it there because it is used as a placeholder. And we want to hide floating blank sheet and to hide this one. Voila, we're done. And this is all the small multiples. Similar to Andy's design, but a little bit different. But it's a lot easier because we use the distribute evenly. This will let the Tableau does the job of alignment. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. See you next time. You can find the link in the descriptions and download the workbook if you wish to look inside. See you next time.